Guangzhou Doris Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of EMS sculpt machine, endospheres machine, hydrodermabrasion machine, pressotherapy machine, face beauty equipment, lipo-laser slimming machine, hair removal machine, shockwave therapy machine, PDT LED light therapy machine, etc. Our company are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access. We have professional developing department, professional purchasing department, good after-sale service department. With its professional research and develop power, our company is constantly increasing investment in researchment and development of new products and launch new products according to the demand of new market. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Our products are exported to hundreds of countries and regions, especially like USA, Spain, France, Russia, Romania, UK, Italy, Poland, Germany, Uruguay, Chile, etc., and also gets highly praise from most customers because of high, good quality and good price. We also welcome customized orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Hope we can cooperate in the fast developing beauty field and work together hand by hand in the long future. We warmly welcome your patronage and will serve you with products of superior quality and excellent service geared to the trend of further development as always.